Welcome everyone to Wiz Kidz, the channel for kids. Please like and subscribe. Let's go have some fun.
ABC 1, 2, 3. Let's dance and sing with glee. Follow along, it's easy to see. ABC for you and me. A, A. A's for apple, big and red. Let's do the apple dance up and down our head. B, B. B is for balloon, floating high. Let's do the balloon dance, reaching for the sky. C, C, C. C is for cat, purring sweet. Let's do the cat dance on our hands and feet. D, D. D is for dog, wagging tail. Let's do the dog dance, running on the trail. E, E, E. E is for elephant, big and gray. Let's do the balloon dance, stomping onto the sea. F, F. F is for fish, swimming free. Let's do the fish dance, wiggling in the sea. ABC 1, 2, 3. Let's dance and sing with glee. Follow along, it's easy to see. ABC for you and me. G, G, G is for giraffe, tall and lean. Let's do the giraffe dance, reaching up to the scene. H, H, H. H is for horse, galloping fast. Let's do the horse dance, riding on a mast. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. Let's do the ice cream dance, licking a cone of gold. J, J. J is for juggler, throwing balls. Let's do the juggler dance, tossing, catching them all. K, K. K is for kite, flying high. Let's do the kite dance, reaching for the sky. L, 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 L. L is for lion, roaring loud. Let's do the lion dance, pacing proud. ABC 1, 2, 3. Let's dance and sing with glee. Follow along, it's easy to see. ABC for you and me. M, M, M. M is for monkey, swinging free. Let's do the monkey dance, hanging from a tree. N, N. N is for noodle, long and thin. Let's do the noodle dance, wiggling and twisting in. O, 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 O. O is for octopus, tentacles 8. Let's do the octopus dance, imitating its state. P, P is for pig, oinking sound. Let's do the pig dance, rolling on the ground. Q, 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 Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Let's do the queen dance, standing tall and proud. R, R. R is for robot, moving fast. Let's do the robot dance, stiff and precise. ABC 1, 2, 3. Let's dance and sing with glee. Follow along, it's easy to see. ABC for you and me. S, S, S. S is for snake, slithering slow. Let's do the snake dance, wiggling to and fro. First T, 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 T. T is for tiger, striped so bright. Let's do the tiger dance, stalking in the night. U, 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 U. U is for umbrella, open wide. Let's do the umbrella dance, dancing in the rain. V, V, V. V is for violin, playing sweet. Let's do the violin dance, bowing with our feet. W, 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 W is for worm, crawling underground. Let's do the worm dance, wiggling all around, around. X, X, X. X is for X-ray, seeing through. Let's do the X-ray dance, posing for a view. Y, Y, Y. Y is for yak, woolly coat. Let's do the yak dance, stopping on the note. C, 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 C. C is for zebra, stripes so black. Let's do the zebra dance, galloping back.
Thanks for singing and dancing along with me. That was fun. Good job, everyone. Let's do it again sometime. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.